Before joining 10x Academy, I'm a person without any coding knowledge and confidence. I was too shy to to talk with others and everything. I was so helpless. Even my dream was to get a job in IT field, but I don't know where to start. I was stuck in that. I'm Bhakhirathi. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I graduated in EC department in 2021 batch. After completing graduation, I don't know where to start my career. I always wanted to become a developer. I want to get a job in the software field. But I don't know where to start this. So I have decided to do an internship, but due to pandemic, I'm not able to do it, sir. Then I came to know about the 10x Academy. It is a 6 months program. After completing this bootcamp, they have given me lot of interviews. Then they have guided me how to give interviews, how to solve codings, assignments, everything. By getting lot of practice, I cracked their jobs. Before joining 10x Academy, I'm a person without any coding knowledge and confidence. I was too shy to to talk with others and everything. I was so helpless. Even my dream was to get a job in IT field, but I don't know where to start. I was stuck in that. I like the way at first I said I don't know. I don't have any knowledge. I just graduated. In engineering, we only know about the theory. We haven't thought about the coding skill. I am also from my electronics department. They haven't taught me coding. But my dream was to get a job in the IT field. I came to know about this 10x Academy due to my relatives. They told me to join 10x Academy. After I joined, I have attended 3 days pre-bootcamp, which was 3 days webinar. Those webinars made me to choose 10x Academy. Their way of teaching was awesome. I love their teaching. That's why I joined it, 10x Academy. During the bootcamp, I got some doubts and errors while doing the company's assignment. Those are cleared by the mentors when I am seeking for any help. When I am asking any helps to the mentors, they will reach out to me within half an hour or 15 minutes. They helped me to get some. If I am lack of some like. If I am lack of confidence or something, or if I lack of came to know what is the concept, the assignments, they will teach us. One-on-one mentor sessions are very helpful to make my confidence, to increase my confidence level. It helped me to clear all my doubts and errors. Mentors are more friendly, and I can ask help like a friend. They talked with me as a friend. So without any hesitation, I can ask any help, sir. Mock interviews helped me to build my confidence. It was like a real-time interview, real industrial interview. Those mock interviews are really at first time I'm attending mock interview. I was more afraid of that when I am facing. But after attending 2 to 3, I just adjust and I got my confidence. I did very well. Those helped me to do good in real interviews. Placement process was done by doing the placement readiness test. Those tests helped me to understand about the front end and back end assignments. They have given me lot of interviews continuously. By attending those, I have cracked. After completing 1 month, first 1 month they taught the basics of JavaScript, basics of the coding DSA part. After 1 month, I thought, oh, I will be definitely a good coder. I can, I can do every project like the way I thought. It was feel like I can do. Overall experience was so awesome. It was 6 months bootcamp I got after 8 months. Even after 6 months of bootcamp, they have given lot of assignments to gain my knowledge, to get lot of knowledge. They helped me a lot after the bootcamp itself until my job, until I got the job, I cracked. It was like awesome. I love their pressure. They are giving lot of assignments continuously. They they seen us individually. Individually, they seen us. They are correcting and questioning everyone individually. So I think among the 70 members, they are taking everyone's responsibility, sir. So I love their love their training and teaching, sir.